Hello everybody, just got this brand new radio Radtel RT900 with color screen. On top of the radio you can see the knob, which is really helpful to change the frequency on some functionalities. The main function of the radio is embedded Bluetooth. Using this Bluetooth you can change some parameters of the radio. On the bottom you can see the USB charging port. You can charge this radio almost everywhere. Let's see closely. The radio came in this box. Inside the box you can see the user manual, power adapter, USB-C cable, and additional stuff. Piratsons.com.
Il canale stretto comunque ci sono le deviazioni per chi trasmette musica da altre parti, come le radio in effetti. Tutto qui, a parte questo comunque riesco a capire quello che dici, quindi problemi particolari non ce ne sono. C'era qualche altra stazione, se non ho... Vediamo un po' chi è avanti.
Let's see the menu of the radio. Steps. All steps are available. Exit. The transmission power has 3 levels: high, middle and low. Roger beep, tone. Let's see next. Language only English and Chinese. You can assign some functionality to these buttons. Short press, long press. Offset for repeaters, logo, voltage, and next is code, TMF codes, locks, after locks. Scrambler, noise reduction, Bluetooth function, reset, version of hardware and firmware. And you can change the modulation. Let's check the maximum transmission power on 2 meters band. Around 6 watts. On the 70 centimeters band, 5.8 watts, around 6 watts. The same on 2 meters, little bit lower on 70 centimeters band. 225 watts, 350, 2.7 watts. This radio has FM radio, just press this button and listen to the music. The antenna works on 2 bands. Let's see closely to each of them. These parameters on 2 meters band. The antenna works perfectly, but not perfectly, but nice. Let's see the next 70 centimeters band. These parameters for 70 centimeters band. The antenna works a little bit lower than 433 megahertz. Let's move to this band, but into this band SWR 1.5, 1.6. It's good. Let's catch the frequency of the radio and let's check this functionality. 67 CTCSS, 433.5 megahertz. Short press this button search transmission. Yes, all is working. We can save the frequency, just press OK and select the channel. I put this radio here. Testing. Testing the microphone of the radio Radtel RT900. Testing. Audio. It's really comfortable to use this radio in the car because you can charge it everywhere using the USB-C port. For connection to the PC, I'm using right now both cable. This cable has such type of connectors. Radtel.com. Download this CPS programming software. Connect the cable and select serial port, in my case COM4. OK, read from the radio. Process of the reading data is fast. Read data success. Here you can see the 20 channels with some functions. Takes power, bandwidth, and so on. Let's go to the optional features. In the optional features, you can see the same functionality as in the menu. The radio, you can assign some functions to the buttons, and so many features right here. Frequency, bandwidth, step, takes power to each band, tail noise, timeout of timer, transmission of timer, PTT delay, scan mode, battery safe, normal, super deep, Roger beep. All the same as in the radio. I thought here we can see much more functionalities, but it is the same. Let's look inside the radio. Firstly, we unsolder the speaker wires from here and remove the screen. After removing the screen, we should unsolder the antenna port right here. Let's look at the main board closely. Currently I'm not far from the airport. Let's check the airband reception using this radio and short antenna.
Temperature -10, viewpoint -12, QNH 1020.
Actually, you can program the radio using the Bluetooth. You need to enable Bluetooth functionality here. After activation, you will see this sign on top of the screen. Just download the application from Radtel official website. Press this button. Connection successful. Don't forget to enable Bluetooth. Press button for reading information. Actually, all data was downloaded from the radio. Many functions you can change. Let's change some frequencies. And right here. After changing the frequency, you should save the new profile. Profile name test. Save. Go home. Select profile. Test. Write to the radio